just when everyone was waiting for GPT-6, OpenAI may have a completely different plan. Two mysterious new AI models, Zinc and Magnesium, have just appeared inside DesignArena, and according to multiple leaks, they're only the beginning. The real surprise? A much bigger model called GPT-5.7 could be launching as soon as next month. Here's everything we know so far. First, let's talk about the models we already have. OpenAI recently released GPT-5.6 Sol, Terra, and Luna. These aren't completely different models. They're specialized variants optimized for different workloads. On the latest DesignArena leaderboard, GPT-5.6 Sol became OpenAI's strongest public model, ranking just behind Claude Fable 5, while outperforming models like Kimi K, 3 Max, and Claude Opus 4.8. Terra and Luna also delivered solid improvements, showing OpenAI wasn't finished with the GPT-5.6 family. Now things get interesting. Two new codenames, Zinc and Magnesium, have appeared inside DesignArena. They're currently disabled, but many believe they're updated versions of GPT-5.6 Sol and GPT-5.6 Terra. If that's true, these models are likely OpenAI's direct response to the upcoming Claude Opus 5. While OpenAI hasn't officially announced them, their appearance inside internal testing strongly suggests they're actively being prepared. So what could improve? Expect better reasoning, more reliable coding, higher quality agent workflows, and stronger performance on complex tasks where today's models can still struggle. In other words, OpenAI may be refining GPT 5.6 before taking the much bigger leap to GPT-6. But that's not even the biggest rumor. According to recent leaks, GPT-6 has reportedly been pushed back until around September. Instead, OpenAI is said to be preparing GPT 5.7 for an August release. The reports claim GPT 5.7 is built on an entirely new pre-training foundation, with a rumored 10 trillion token scale training run. If accurate, this wouldn't just be another incremental update. The biggest focus appears to be agentic AI. That means models that can plan multiple steps ahead, reason more effectively, use tools more reliably, write better code, and complete longer, more autonomous workflows with less human guidance. Another important detail, despite all the rumors online, the leaks specifically claim GPT 5.7 will not have a 1.5 million token context window. So if you've seen those posts floating around, they're most likely incorrect. If we compare everything we know today, Luna focuses on balanced everyday performance. Terra pushes stronger reasoning and productivity. Sol is currently OpenAI's flagship public model, especially for coding and complex tasks. Zinc is expected to be an upgraded version of Sol, Magnesium an upgraded Terra. And GPT 5.7 could become the biggest leap yet, introducing a completely new foundation rather than simply improving existing models. Of course, none of this has been officially confirmed by OpenAI yet, so treat these details as informed leaks rather than final specifications. But if these reports turn out to be accurate, the next few weeks could be some of the biggest we've ever seen for AI. If you want instant updates whenever GPT 5.7, Zinc, or Magnesium officially launch, make sure to subscribe because I'll be covering everything the moment it drops.